now the problem got even a bit more stressing. Today is the 6th of February, and I just told Arbetsförmedlingen that they should unregister me from their website because the intrusion is getting terrible. Now I searched for this job. I didn't even log in into their website because I don't want them to do their thing, whatever that they're doing to me. But I searched this woman because I had very suspicion, because this place was not existing before. Now after a few hours I searched her on LinkedIn, and it has all the markings of a fake profile. Wait, listen, I'm just making a video for so that I recall which city that I wanted to go and work. Clearly she is a cop with some it can be created in a few minutes, this type of profile. And then right after I did that, they posted in Vehicle's website that web boutique and web help in Umeå is expanding, but there is no web help company in Forordsvägen 5. The only address that exists is Vehicle on that address. So this was just another trap to get me for something. Fake profiles, and then they send me, as I sent to her, don't contact me anymore. And they made me register through this website when I clicked on it, and then that suspicion kicked in and again, and I said I don't want. And of course this time they are a bit smarter. No one replies to a no reply address anymore, so they send it back. And anyways, I auto register, and then I told them that anyways I don't want to be in your system, and I've already told them that. And I have unregistered from other student consulting and all that, because that's also being used. Yeah. She's clearly police. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but don't want the police to interview me for a job. If the job was real, it was real, but it wasn't. Clearly she must have at least have had a police experience, so they recruited her to just talk to me. I don't want to talk to the police. I have no business talking to the police. I thank you for making me completely jobless.